Welcome to online study. Now we are discussing about static GK and current affairs. So let's start our first question. Which day is celebrated as National Dengue Day? Your options are 15th May, 16th May, 17th May and 18th May. So the correct answer is 16th May. On 16th May, National Dengue Day is celebrated. Next question. Environmental activist Sundarlal Bahuguna, who recently passed away, was associated with which movement? Options are Bishnoi movement, Jungle Bachao Andolan, Chipko movement, Apiko movement. And the correct option is Chipko movement. So Sundarlal Bahuguna belongs to Chipko movement and he is recently passed away. Next question. Which company has launched the mission HO2PE Hope in Assam? Options are Reliance Jio, Tata Power, Hindustan Unilever Limited and the last option is Dabur India. So the correct option is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Next question. Microsoft has announced to retire its iconic Internet Explorer browser in June 2022. The browser was launched in which year? Options are 1995, 1990, 1997 and 2000. So the correct option is 1995. In the year 1995, Internet Explorer browser was first launched and they are going to retire this Internet Explorer browser in June 2022. Next question. Who has become the first Indian to win World Choreography Award 2020? Options are Shantanu Maheshwari, Suresh Mukund, Rohan Vyas, Mohit Antony. And the correct option is Suresh Mukund. So Suresh Mukund was the first Indian to win World Choreography Award 2020. So next question. What is the theme of the World Meteorology Day 2021? Options are first one, measurements for global trade, measurements for transport, measurements for health, measurements for people. And the correct option is measurement for health. So World Meteorology Day 2021 theme is measurement for health. Next question. Which among the following has developed a COVID-19 antibody detection based kit called DipCovan? So options are IIT Kanpur, Cipla, DRDO, MyLab. Correct option is DRDO. So DRDO developed the kit called DipCovan, which is an antibody detection based kit for COVID-19. So next question. Which state has been ranked first in establishing health and wellness centers under Ayushman Bharat program? Options are first one Andhra Pradesh, second one Tamil Nadu, third one Karnataka, fourth one Kerala. So correct option is Karnataka. So the state Karnataka has been ranked the first in establishing health and wellness centers under Ayushman Bharat program. Next question. Martha Koome has been appointed as the first woman Chief Justice of which country? Options are Kenya, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda. And the correct option is Kenya. So Martha Koome has been appointed as the first woman Chief Justice of country called Kenya. Next question. Recently, Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry has urged the states and union territories to make which disease a notifiable disease under the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897. Options are black fungus, second option white fungus, third option yellow fever, fourth option COVID-19, and the correct option is black fungus. It is notified under the disease called Epidemic Diseases Act 1897. Okay, so next question. Recently, India signed MOU with which nation on military cooperation? Next question. Recently, India signed MOU with which nation on military cooperation along with its annexure as well as on maritime issues? Options are Mauritius, Oman, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and the correct option is option 2, Oman. So next question. Recently, Pinarayi Vijayan was sworn as Chief Minister of which state? Options are first one Tamil Nadu, second one Kerala, third one Puducherry, fourth one West Bengal, and the correct option is Kerala. So Pinarayi Vijayan was sworn as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu state, Kerala state. Okay. So next question. Recently, how many Indian sites have been added to the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites? So options are 6, second option 5, third option 8, fourth option 4. So the correct answer is 6. So 6 Indian sites have been added to the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. Okay. So next question. Who has launched National Mobile Monitoring Software NMMS app and Area Officer Monitoring app through video conferencing? Options are Rajnath Singh, Smriti Irani, Nitin Gadkari, Narendra Singh Tomar. So the correct option is Narendra Singh Tomar. So NMMS is an app which is developed for the real-time monitoring of staff actually. So it is launched by the officer named Narendra Singh Tomar. Okay. Who has designed an oxygen recycling system ORS to mitigate the current oxygen crisis? Options are Indian Navy, Indian Army, DRDO, ONGC, and the correct option is Indian Navy. So Indian Navy has designed oxygen recycling system due to this current oxygen crisis. Okay. So next question. What is the capital of Oman? Your options are first one Muscat, Kabul, Maputo, Tashkent, and the correct option is Muscat. So the capital of Oman is Muscat. Next question. What is the capital of Germany? Options are Berlin, Rome, Amsterdam, London. So the capital of Germany is Berlin. Next. What is the currency of Kenya? So the currency of Kenya, you have to find out. Options are dinar, shilling, krone, won. So the correct option is shilling. So shilling is the name of the currency in Kenya. Okay guys, next question. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO? Options are Rome, London, Paris, Geneva. So the correct option is option number 3, Paris. So the headquarters of UNESCO are located in Paris. So these are the questions prepared for you today. Hope you learned something more today. So keep watching my videos and please do subscribe and share and like my videos. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my videos and be safe, stay at home. Thank you.